Use a 3 to 5 ton forklift, insert it into the forklift hole at the bottom of the box, and transport it to a barrier-free place. Use a forklift or crane to slowly and smoothly transport the cabinet onto the well prefabricated foundation. Prepare sleeves, wrenches, tape measures, power tools, and multimeters in advance. Use the special key to open the cabinet door and fix the door reliably. Open the front hatch of the battery cabinet and thread the positive and negative power cables, 2 220 volt distribution cables and 1 network cable out of the bottom threading hole inside the battery cabinet. Positive and negative power cables are connected to the positive and negative terminals of the high voltage box. The 2 220 volt distribution cables are connected to the distribution miniature circuit breaker on the side of the battery cabinet and tightened with a screwdriver. Open the hatch at the rear of the PCS cabinet and remove the 2 fixed sealing plates. Thread the positive and negative power cables, 2 220 volt distribution cables and 1 network cable through the threading hole at the bottom of the PCS cabinet. Plug 1 network cable into the switch. Connect the 2 220 volt distribution cables to the terminals on the side of the PCS compartment. Connect the positive and negative power cables to the corresponding positive and negative culprit bus bar respectively, and tighten the bolts and mark the torque. Open the front hatch of the PCS cabinet and remove the PCS side AC input terminal block bolt. Put 3 3-phase power cables through the bottom of the cabinet and connect them to UVW 3-phase culprit bus bar respectively, and tighten the bolts and do the torque marking. BMS communication network car antenna arrangement. Remove MISD from the compartment door holder. Remove the MISD black protective cover, insert MDS into the corresponding position, and push the buckle in to prevent it from falling. Check whether each line is firmly connected. Use an insulation meter to measure whether the line is damaged. Use a multimeter to measure whether the voltage of each line is correct. Restore the fixed sealing plate. Sequentially turn on the battery cabinet distribution switch. Rotate the high voltage circuit breaker 90 degrees clockwise. Close the hatch of the battery cabinet. Turn on the UPS. Sequentially turn on the EMS cabinet distribution switch. Sequentially turn on the EMS cabinet DC input switch. Turn on the QAC1 switch, QAC2 switch. Rotate the QDC switch 90 degrees counterclockwise. SUC operation, meter data access, demand management, and strategy layout. Remove the support rods of the doors respectively and close all the compartment doors.